everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. So in today's video I wanted to share with you how I made my very easy pelmet above one of my windows. I had some leftover packaging and things from the boys' flat pack drawers that they had in their room, and I just wanted to try and make use of it. Some polystyrene sheets. So it cost me next to nothing. It definitely cost under £10 because I have enough left to make another one. It's just a small one, and I definitely plan to make some for other rooms, but I'm gonna probably do them with something a little bit sturdier because this was just a little one, so it was okay to be made out of polystyrene. So I'll show it you now. So there it is. That is my little DIY Pelmet Cornice window thing, whatever you want to call it. And yeah, I'm really pleased with it. So it is a really simple tutorial. It's not perfect, but I'm happy with it. I think it's really nice and just makes a real difference. I've just got it on the top of the landing, so it's the first thing you see when you're walking up the stairs. And yeah, it's really pretty. So I will show you exactly how I made it. So I started out by measuring the window where I wanted the cornice to go, and then got my polystyrene. Like I say, this is just leftover from the boys' flat pack furniture drawers, and I didn't have a piece that was quite long enough, so I took two pieces that were the same thickness and then glued them together. Wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your... I just used a little hacksaw to cut the polystyrene. It's a little bit messy, so I just did it a little bit by bit. Old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night. So yeah, I just used my glue gun to stick both of them together. It worked really well, to be honest. It didn't melt or anything, so it did stick them together nicely. If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit. And then just for extra strength, I put some tape around the join as well. Behind your troubles, there's a new day, and it will set you free. Next, I needed to put something around the edges, so I had these thicker pieces. If I did it again, I would use something not quite as thick, so I just used these on the sides. This is what's going to connect to the wall, so I just cut off the sizes that I needed and glued them on as well. You've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep, if you give... I have a really temperamental glue gun as well, so it always takes me a little bit of time with that glue gun. There's a new day. So that is the look, and then I picked up this off Amazon, this wadding. This was $5.95 for this, and I didn't use anywhere near the whole amount of it, so I doubled it over and then just cut off what I needed. And it will restore us. There will be new ways. This is not the end. Now, my issue with this polystyrene was finding something to attach things into it that didn't just pop straight back out, and I didn't want to spend money buying pins and things. I wanted to keep it as cheap as possible, so I just tried to use what I had. If I was to make another one, I would definitely buy some long pins to attach the wadding and the material to, but I just made do. Like I say, I was trying to keep it as cheap as possible and just use things that I had. But I found this beautiful material, this pewter grey marble velour crushed velvet on Amazon again, and this cost $6.99 I think, and I actually had enough left over if I was going to make another one, so I didn't even use it all, so I thought that was really good value. And yeah, my issue I had was trying to attach it to the polystyrene. I learned as I went that I probably would do things a little bit different if I made another one, but I managed to stick it all down. I used a combination of glue and pins. So it took me a little while, but I managed to get it really smooth and tight. And then I found this was just an added extra. Obviously you don't need to add this on, but this gorgeous diamond trim that I just glued onto the front. This again I found on Amazon. I've had this for a while though, so I just had it in my craft drawers that I hadn't used for anything, and it was perfect for this. So obviously if you like the more glitzy sort of look, that is a great little extra.
About you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all. But why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable.
So again, the glue gun worked really well for this. I just glued it on bit by bit, and I think it made it look so much better. So I then had the challenge of finding a way to attach it to the wall, and again, not wanting to spend any money, I didn't want to buy any brackets, I didn't want to use any screws or have to use a drill or anything that I needed to attach it to the wall. So again, this was just what I had left over from the project. I got some cardboard and stuck it to the back of the cornice, and then I found some old picture hooks that was off a broken frame, so I attached them to the cardboard and then just attached it to the wall. Very, very simple.
So guys, I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button. It honestly means the world to me, and I will see you again for my next one. Bye everyone.